Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Jennifer, I'm lost. Where is the bank?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you. And that's today's topic.
Directions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm great. And listener, how are you?
I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic. Very important. Directions.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
Today, we will learn how to ask for directions.
And how to give directions.
Left, right, straight. We'll learn everything.
This is very useful when you travel.
Let's start.
Word number 1, left.
This direction is left.
Repeat, left.
Turn left.
On the left,
Go left.
Word number 2, right.
This direction is right.
Repeat, right.
Turn right.
On the right.
Go right.
word number 3, straight.
This means go forward. Don't turn.
Repeat, straight.
Go straight. Word number 4, near.
Near means close, not far.
Repeat, near.
The bank is near the supermarket.
Word number 5, far.
Far means not close, a long distance.
Repeat, far. Far.
The airport is far from here.
Word phrase number 6, next to.
Next to means beside something.
Repeat, next to.
Next to.
The bank is next to the coffee shop.
Word number 7, between.
Between means in the middle of two things.
Repeat, between.
The bank is between the supermarket and the coffee shop.
Word number 8, corner.
A corner is where two streets meet.
Repeat, corner.
The bank is on the corner.
Great vocabulary.
Now let's learn how to ask for directions.
Question 1, where is?
This is the most common question.
Repeat, where is?
Examples. Where is the bank? Where is the supermarket? Where is the train station?
Question 2, how do I get to?
This asks, what's the way to go there?
Repeat, how do I get to?
Examples. How do I get to the hospital? How do I get to the airport? Question 3. Is it far?
This asks, is the place far from here?
Repeat. Is it far?
Simple and useful.
Remember to be polite. Start with, excuse me, where is? Or, excuse me, can you help me?
Always say thank you at the end.
Being polite is important.
Now, let's learn how to give directions.
Here are the most important phrases.
1. Go straight. It means continue forward.
2. Turn left means go to the left.
3. Turn right. It means go to the right.
4. It's on your left. You will see it on the left side.
5. It's on your right. You will see it on the right side.
Let's practice with a map.
Let's say you're at the train station. You want to go to the bank.
The directions are, go straight, turn right at the corner. The bank is on your left, next to the coffee shop.
Now, you're at the supermarket. You want to go to the hospital.
The directions are, turn left, go straight, turn right. The hospital is on your right.
One more. You're at the park. You want to go to the post office.
The directions are, go straight, turn left at the corner, go straight. The post office is on your left, between the bank and the supermarket.
Easy when you practice.
Finding the bank.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight, then turn left. It's next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's repeat that slowly.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight, then turn left. It's next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Question 3. Is it far?
This asks, is the place far from here?
Repeat. Is it far?
Simple and useful.
Excuse me, where is the hospital?
Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn left. The hospital is on your right, next to the park.
Let me repeat. Go straight, turn left, it's on the right.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Did you notice I repeated the directions?
Yes, it's good to repeat to make sure you understand.
Always repeat, so I turn left, then right?
The person will say yes or no, turn right first.
Very helpful.
Let's practice.
Sentence 1. Turn blank.
The answer is turn left.
Sentence 2. Go blank.
The answer is go straight.
Sentence 3. It's blank the coffee shop.
The answer is it's next to the coffee shop. Let's do it again slowly. Turn blank.
Turn left.
Go blank.
Go straight.
It's blank the coffee shop.
It's next to the coffee shop.
Now practice asking. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
How do I get to the train station?
Is it far?
Thank you. Let's do it again slowly.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
How do I get to the train station?
Is it far?
Thank you.
Perfect.
Now practice giving directions.
I ask, where is the supermarket?
You answer, go straight, then turn left. It's on your right.
Try it.
Go straight, then turn left. It's on your right. Good job.
Excellent work today.
You learned how to ask for and give directions.
Remember these important words: left, right, straight, near, far, next to, between.
Important phrases. Where is? How do I get to? Go straight. Turn left or right. It's on your left or right.
Practice with a map. Give yourself directions.
In the next episode, we're learning about family.
How to talk about your mother, father, brothers, sisters.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below. Tell us, what's near your house? A bank? A supermarket?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.